Every great manufacturing organization is built on one powerful principle: continuous improvement. At IOTAFLOW, lean manufacturing is not just a process. It is a culture followed by every individual, every day. The IOTAFLOW marketing team demonstrated how continuous improvement has enhanced product presentations, digital communication, and customer engagement. Through standardized workflows, faster coordination, and effective visual communication, the team has strengthened marketing operations and elevated the overall customer experience. Just like every department at IOTAFLOW, the marketing team actively embraces a culture of lean thinking and continuous improvement. The CRM team showcased how streamlined order processing and efficient customer handling contribute to a seamless customer experience. Through standardized processes, faster coordination, and timely communication, the team ensures accurate order execution and responsive customer support. At IOTAFLOW, the CRM team plays a vital role in strengthening customer relationships while embracing a culture of lean thinking and continuous improvement. The journey continued into the heart of IOTAFLOW's manufacturing facility, the machine shop, where precision meets continuous improvement. Here, every process is designed to maximize efficiency, maintain quality, and eliminate waste through lean manufacturing principles. Throughout the shop floor, numerous employee-driven improvements have been implemented to create a safer, more organized, and highly productive workplace. One of the key lean practices is the Kanban card system, which enables efficient material tracking, improves inventory visibility, and ensures the right components are available at the right time. This helps maintain a smooth production flow while minimizing delays and unnecessary inventory. From optimized machine layouts and organized tool management to standardized workstations and visual management, every improvement reflects our commitment to operational excellence. At IOTAFLOW, our machine shop is more than a production area. It is a place where innovation, teamwork, and continuous improvement drive manufacturing excellence every single day. The store department demonstrated how lean improvements have transformed inventory management through the Kanban card system. Every customer order is assigned a dedicated bin, ensuring smooth material tracking from the machine shop to assembly. Color-coded bins, visual Kanban cards, and standardized storage have improved material identification, reduced search time, and enabled timely purchase planning. These improvements have significantly enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and workflow across the entire production process. The order status board is a key part of IOTAFLOW's lean management system, providing real-time visibility of every customer order. Through visual tracking and standardized workflows, teams can instantly monitor order progress, prioritize critical deliveries, and improve coordination across departments. This lean approach enables faster decision-making, greater transparency, and on-time delivery. The design team showcased how lean and digital innovation have transformed engineering workflows at IOTAFLOW. Through paperless drawings, ERP integration, digital part codes, and real-time design updates, every department accesses the latest information instantly. From CNC programming to rapid prototyping with 3D printing, these improvements have enhanced accuracy, reduced lead time, and accelerated product development. The HR team showcased how lean practices are empowering people through continuous learning and transparent workforce management. With the improvement skill matrix and attendance board, employees are encouraged to build new skills, track their progress, and contribute to a culture of continuous improvement across IOTAFLOW. The accounts team demonstrated how lean thinking and digital improvements have streamlined daily operations. With instant access to SOPs through a single QR code, digitally signed invoice sharing, cloud-based document management, and visual organization, the team has reduced paperwork, improved coordination, and enhanced overall efficiency. These initiatives reflect IOTAFLOW's commitment to continuous improvement and operational excellence. The purchase team demonstrated how lean thinking and digital automation have streamlined the procurement process. QR code-based purchase requests, Kanban integration, and automated vendor notifications have reduced manual follow-ups and improved material planning. These improvements have shortened lead times, strengthened inventory control, and ensured a faster, more efficient procurement process across the organization. The service team showcased how lean thinking has improved service planning and customer support. A weekly travel planning system enables better scheduling, while the SO and FOC tracking board helps monitor service performance and reduce unnecessary free service visits. In addition, a dedicated YouTube knowledge library allows customers to resolve common issues through videos or video calls, saving both engineer time and operational costs. The assembly floor is where precision, teamwork, and lean thinking come together to deliver quality products. Every workstation has been continuously improved to create a safer, more organized, and highly efficient working environment. One of the key lean practices followed here is the Kanban system, which ensures that the right material is available at the right place and at the right time. This minimizes waiting, reduces unnecessary movement, and maintains a smooth production flow. Employee-driven improvements, standardized workstations, visual management, and quality-focused processes enable faster assembly while maintaining the highest standards of accuracy and reliability. At IOTAFLOW, every improvement on the assembly floor reflects our commitment to operational excellence, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. The dispatch team demonstrated how lean thinking has streamlined the final stage of our manufacturing process. Through standardized dispatch procedures, digital documentation, quality checklists, and organized packaging, every shipment is verified before delivery. These improvements ensure accuracy, reduce errors, and enable timely deliveries, providing customers with a reliable and seamless dispatch experience. At IOTAFLOW, every improvement reflects our commitment to quality, innovation, and excellence. Because lean manufacturing is not a destination, it is a journey of continuous improvement.